Hey, we are so excited to welcome you to our 2025 Spring Heirloom SewAlong. We had such a great time with you guys over the Christmas holidays sewing a Christmas dress that we used a lot of smocking. We thought we would do an heirloom dress this time. So Leslie has made this beautiful heirloom dress that you guys can use for Easter. You could use it for portraiture. You could use it as a beach dress to take really pretty pictures. It could be all of those things combined, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so couple of things we want to tell you about the SewAlong for the heirloom dress. It's going to start March the 28th and it's going to end, sorry. It's going to start February the 28th and end on March the 28th so that you have it plenty of time between March 28th and April 20th, which is Easter, to get ready for, to have it ready by Easter. So again, it starts February 28th, it ends March 28th, and Easter is on April the 20th. So you'll have some extra weeks in there in case you get behind or life happens. So let me tell you a little bit about it. This dress is from the Lee pattern. So the Lee pattern comes, it's a children's corner pattern, and it comes from 6 months to 3 or a size 4 to 8. So it's going to be using the basis of this pattern, but if you guys have the pattern already, you don't need to purchase it from us. You'll be able to use the pattern you already have. If you don't have the pattern, it'll be an option when you choose your kit for this, for you to get the pattern to go with it, right? Right? Okay.
Absolutely.
All right, so this dress is made from Swiss Batiste, the outside of the dress, and then underneath here is the most beautiful little slip under here. Leslie's going to shoot me if I wrinkle her dress, so I'm going to do it delicately. But there is a slip that goes underneath here that is made of Pima Batiste. So you've got choices of colors. You'll see there when you go to buy the kit, there's choices there that you can pick. You can pick white, this light blue, which you see this dress in, a really pretty pink, or this turquoise color. And then there are slip colors that's in the same, the white, the blue, the pink, and the turquoise. What's really cool about it too is that if you decide you want to make a white dress, you could choose, when you get ready to purchase, you could choose the pink slip so that there's a hue of pink kind of showing through the white. You could also do a white slip with a blue dress, but if you do that, it's going to make this blue a little bit brighter. We chose the blue slip under here, as you can see, and it makes it a little bit deeper. So it's the options and what you can choose when you get ready to check out for your kit are going to be, there'll be a little list there of I want this, I want that, I want this color top, I want this color, I want this color dress and this color slip. So just take your time, and if you have any questions about what might look good, you're always welcome to call us. So I'm going to give you our phone number. I'm sure it'll be in the post, but when all this gets posted, but it's 901-316-8783, and you can call here and ask to speak to someone from Lace Cottage, and they can help you make some choices if that's what you want to do. The other portion of this is when you get the kit, from here up will be included in the kit, and it is what it is. That's the way it comes. From here down, you have some options, or you will have some options when you purchase. This portion, and I might have to get Leslie to help me with this part. This portion, there's some optional lace choices in there, right? Because some of these are Malines laces and some of these are French val laces, right? And so if you wanted to have something a little bit less expensive than the Malines laces, then you might choose some different laces, but we'll have those packages together for you that they can choose. Am I right? Anything you want to add?
Now, this is a 90-inch skirt picture, but you can also, if you want a slimmer silhouette, you could do a 72-inch skirt. So that would be 2 yards versus 2.5. It does make a difference, but I wanted it nice and full and fluffy, so that's what we did.
Yeah, so you'll have that choice between the two skirt sizes too. So that is a lot to kind of choose from, but we want you guys to have options and for it to work for your precious person in your life that you're making it for. So like I said, if you have any questions or any concerns about it, you need to call here. We had a great time in the last one. I think a lot of people made a beautiful Christmas dress. Oh, and I don't want to forget that, I was just telling Leslie before we started this video, when I first learned to sew laces together, it was painstaking. I mean, it was like holding them together, praying that they stay together as you're pushing them through the machine. And now they have such great techniques and things to make it really simple. And Leslie's going to cover those like she did in the other videos. explaining to you how to put laces together and sew them together so that you don't, it's not so painstaking. It's really easy techniques, and we are very lucky to have Miss Leslie here to teach us how to do that. So I can't wait for you guys to see those and to experience this. And there's no cost to you to join the SewAlong. You just join along. All you need is the fabric and the kit and the laces to get going, and we'll get you started. So check the link below here and in the post, and you can click there to purchase your kit, and we'll get it out to you right away so you can get started on the first week of February 28th. Thank you so much, and we love for you guys to participate and can't wait to see all your beautiful creations. Thank you.